I need an idea. I'm ready to chalk, but I need an idea. I have my apron, my paste, my boards. I have everything, but no ideas. I need a good idea, a really good idea. A bright idea. A brilliant idea. Watch me chalk it up. Coming up next. Hi everyone, I'm Diette and welcome back to Turtle Creativity. Today we're going to be chalking it up with Chalk Couture. Today's project will be the August 2018 Club Transfer, which is Be Brilliant. I'm going to be pairing this up with my 10-inch round. I will be using 3 colors: Bumblebee, Storm, and White. Along with that, I'll be using my multi-tool, my small squeegee, and my large one. Now, you will also need a hair dryer to dry the chalk in between the layering of the transfer, a towel when we fuzz up the transfer, a container to clean the transfers, and a towel to dry it off after you clean it. You will also need some Clorox wipes. Now, to cut the transfer, I'll be using my Cricut cutter. Let's get started. I'm so excited. All right, let's open it up. Now, the August transfer, I'm going to put this right here. The August transfer has 3 parts. So we're going to go ahead and cut these parts. I'm looking for my pen because we're going to need that in just a second. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and line this up so that I can get a perfect cut. Now, if you do not have a cutter, it's okay. You can use a good old pair of scissors. All right. There we go. All right, we made the first cut, and then I just need to cut it one more time, lining that up, and there we go. Now, we have our 3 parts of our transfer. All right, let's get to it. Now, what I'm going to do is I am just going to place my transfers down just so that I can get an idea of what it will look like for spacing. And I think this would be awesome. Okay, so I am going to place I'm going to call it my brilliant ideas that is shooting out from the light bulb. I'm going to put that down first. Now, those ideas that are shooting out from the light bulb is going to be white. Before I take the back off my transfers, I am going to go ahead and mark each one of them. So I'm going to call these bright ideas, and I'm just going to draw just a little picture of it. And this one is Be Brilliant. And I'm just going to draw just a little bulb. And then this one is the bottom of the light bulb. And I'm just going to put bottom of light bulb. Now, the reason why we go ahead and mark what's on the back of it is because when you cut it, different transfers, and you take the back off, you may not know actually which one will pair with which transfer. So that is one little tip that we do. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our, I'm calling it our Bright Ideas transfer. Now, I have this little washcloth right here that I will be using to fuzz up my transfer. Now, the reason why we fuzz up our transfer is because when you use it the first time, it is very sticky. The transfers are very sticky. And when we fuzz it up, it just gives it enough fuzz so that when we pull it off, when the chalk is there, we do not stretch our transfer. All right, and I'm just gonna do it one time. All right, we're gonna lay down our transfer. And I'm making sure that I have a good, make sure no air is there. Now, this is where the large squeegee really comes in handy because it is smoothing all of the air out of it from underneath. So we have no air bubbles. All right, so then we're gonna come in with my small squeegee, mixing it up, and you see the consistency needs to be just like this, like of yogurt. All right, let's begin to put some of our paste down. Making sure that you get in between that screen. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Got some on this side. And you kind of want to move a little fast too with this because this paste will dry fast. All right, now that we got it all down, it's time to go ahead and scrape it up. And that excess, we're gonna put it right back in the jar. See, all of that we can reuse. All right, ready? Are you ready? I am. Look, oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my water so that I can get this cleaned. All right, now I see some oopsies. And I'm just going to dip my towel in the water, just a corner, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean up those areas that I saw needed a little touch up. That's the great thing about using this chalk paste is that if you mess up or get some of the chalk on the side, again, you could just take a corner of your towel and wipe it up. Even if I messed up my Bright Ideas, I could have just cleaned it off and do it again, which is amazing. To me, you can create a beautiful picture and you don't have to worry about, oh my goodness, am I gonna mess up? Because with this Chalkology paste, it's almost foolproof. All right, let's go on to the second part of the transfer. Are you ready? I am definitely ready. Okay, so for the second part of the transfer, we're going to be using Bumblebee. Ooh. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that my small squeegee is really cleaned off because I don't want to mix the colors. Now, I paired this August transfer with my black round, but you don't have to put this on a black round. You can use this as a t-shirt. You can put it on a bag. You can do different things with it. All right, so now the next thing. For us to add the second layer, we first need to make sure this is all dry. So we're gonna go ahead and use our blow dryer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place my Be Brilliant down. Make sure I have it nice and straight. All right, look at that. Yay! I'm telling you guys, this is so simple. All right, nice and straight. And this bumblebee color is so beautiful. Again, stirring it, consistency of yogurt. And we are there. All right, and let's go ahead and spread it down. Covering all of the transfer. And again, this is a screen. It's a silk screen. Much like what is used for t-shirts. Look at that. It's getting a good cover. I can't wait to pull it up. I can't wait to pull it up. And again, you don't need that much. Getting a smooth, covering all the edges. Look at that. Okay, now let's pull it off. And it goes right back in the jar. See, we can save. Look at that. Right back in the jar. All right. Are you ready to see? I'm ready. Okay, find a corner. Pulling it up. Look at it. Oh. All right. So there we have it. Be brilliant. And again, I can go ahead and blow dry it. Okay, now for our last transfer. I'm going to line this up right there. Let's see. Using this, I'm going to move it up a little bit. Is so easy to make an awesome, beautiful project. Okay, I just want to get it right on that line, and I think I did. All right, for this, we're going to use the Storm. I'm excited. And again, stirring it up. And a little bit is all you need. Look at that. Look how smooth it goes on. This Storm is a beautiful color. Yay! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Voila! Look at it, everyone. It's amazing. Look at it. Chalk Couture, Chalk Couture. A Chalk Couture, Chalk Couture. Look what I did. Look what I did. Chalk Couture. Yeah, Chalk Couture. Look, I had a phenomenal time creating this project. I mean, it was easy, simple, and look at the results. If you want to do this and give it a try, everything that you need is listed below. Now, remember, if you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.